All right, today we're working on a 2003 Subaru Baja, and we're doing a rear struts. So struts are going to be on the inside, out in the trunk, and you can see that you'll have to remove for the left side, left front. There's a jack, and on the other side you've got the attachments for the jack, and then all you do is just tug on this. There's no bolts or anything holding it on, and it's easier when this is out of the way. So you go tug on it. And then this bottom piece as well can come off. It makes it easier. And you come here, and then you can see there's two 14s on each side. So there's 1, 2, and they're 14 millimeters. And then there's a clip we'll put back on. See how they're all in there for the attaching and the paneling. So then after you get, you do this side, you'll do the other side. Same thing, the two 14s are off on that. And what you'll do is you'll go from underneath, and we'll show you what it looks like underneath. So you've got the rear strut right here. And then again, there's two 14 millimeter bolts up top, and then you've got a bolt and a nut on the bottom, which are 19 millimeters. And they're pretty on there pretty good. So you can see there's the bolt with the washer. And then on this side, you can see we have the 19, and we, put it on the edge, meets edge with the bolt, and then you just pop it with a hammer until it pulls out of here. So then once you do all that, you can pull on this. The bolt comes out, and then there you go, have it.